Our experience lies in providing round tool solutions across critical sectors, that is automotive, aerospace, defense, machine tools, industries where precision is non-negotiable. Each sector comes with unique demands: lighter yet stronger materials in aerospace, faster times in automotive, durability and reliability in defense, and efficiency in machine tools. Hi, my name is Mahesh Tahilyani. I am the Managing Director of Forbes Precision Tools and Machine Parts Limited, better known as TOTEM in the international market. Forbes, a well-known for its Totem brand, has been in and around the industry for more than 60 years operating out of India. Our reputation is built on cutting-edge applications, geometries, advanced coatings, application-specific innovations that deliver performance and value to the customer. Mahesh Tahilyani. We welcome you to our booth at Hall 4 G58.